Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Thai style corn salad or สลัดข้าวโพด It's the corn season, so of course I got a good deal. They're a little bit small, but I just got them from the store for only 3 cents. So it's a very good deal, 3 cents. So okay, and then I already clean them. They're not bad, all the sweet corn. So I already cleaned them. I will use like 3 of them because they're kind of small. But if you got a really big one, you only need 2. So mine is small, I will use 3. Okay, I'm gonna put in the boiling water and I'm gonna let them cook for about 5 minutes. Alright, and then we come back and check. While we wait for our corn is cooking, so now we have time to come to make our salad dressing. I'm gonna use a pestle and mortar to pound them, but if you don't have one, you can just chop them real small. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to use the 1 cup the fresh garlic. I'm gonna put in the pestle and mortar. Okay, 1 cup fresh garlic. Okay, and I'm going to pound the fresh garlic first. If you don't like the fresh garlic in your salad, you can just skip this. You don't have to put them. Next, 2 Thai chili. Alright. If too spicy, just only use 1. Be careful. Alright, the Thai chili very spicy. Okay. Thai chili go in, and next I'm gonna add a little bit the peanut, just a little bit, like about half of this what I have inside the bowl. Okay, I use about 1 tablespoon to put in here. I have total 4 tablespoons, but I'm gonna keep it for decorate on the top when we end to toast it with all the salad. I just want to crush them a little bit with the garlic and the chili. I will let you see inside when I done pounding them. Okay, so I have 1 cup the garlic. I have about 1 tablespoon of peanut, and I have 2 Thai chili, and I pound them. They're supposed to look about this. You don't need to pound them until they turn to be the paste. We just want to break all the flavor together. Okay, so next I'm going to add the coconut sugar. So I use 3 teaspoons coconut sugar. Okay, if you don't have coconut sugar, just use the brown sugar. You can substitute to the brown sugar, but might have to cut it down a little bit because the sweet a little bit different. Next, I have the 10 cherry tomato. Okay, these they look all different size because they come from my backyard, so they're really fast. Okay, I will use 10. I was just gonna cut them half and put inside the pestle and mortar. Okay. We just want to break up the flavor from the tomato a little bit. We're not going to pound them until they small or too mushy. We just need to open up the flavor from the tomato. Okay. And just smash them a little bit to open the flavor out from the tomato. Not have to pound them hard. Okay. Okay, I open up all the flavor from the tomato. It just look like that. Alright, and now being 5 minutes that I let the corn cooking, so now I'm gonna go to the stove and remove the corn. Okay, and now I'm gonna take it out the corn. Now it's about like 6 minutes because when I turning around and do everything more, it's turned to be like 6 minutes. But okay, I'm gonna put inside the ice water to stop the cooking process. If you have the bigger corn, you might have to cook 1 or 2 minutes longer. It depends how big your corn too. And this piece is kind of too big for the bowl. Let me bake them down, but it's hot. Wow, hot. Okay, I'm gonna soak them into the water, and then we continue our salad. Next, we're gonna need lamb. Okay, so before I cut them, I need the skin, so I'm gonna set them and put them inside the pestle and mortar. It adds a lot more flavor. I love to do this. In Thailand, sometimes they just if you buy them, sometimes they just cut the pieces. After they squeeze the lamb, they just adding all the skin and everything into the salad dressing. But I think it's better to do this way so you not get a little bit bitter flavor from the skin. Okay. Okay, and then now I done. Okay, put all the zest inside our salad dressing. So I will need 3 tablespoons lamb. I'm gonna squeeze this fresh lamb juice. All right. Okay, I probably need one more lamb right here. Actually, I forget to cook the shrimp after I take out the corn. So after we done doing the lamb, I'm gonna go cook the shrimp so the shrimp can have a time to cooling down before we add on the top our salad. I use 18 large size shrimp. I'm gonna put inside the boiled water. The one I cooking the corn, the same thing that I cook the corn, because the corn before I cooking, I really clean everything really good already, so it's okay to use this water. It's better. It's sweet from the corn too. So actually this one have to be cooking after when you remove the corn and then you cook the shrimp right away, but I forget. Sorry, I forget. So otherwise, so the shrimp can have a time to cooling down when we make our salad dressing or prep our vegetable. Okay. So the shrimp is gonna cook for only about couple minutes. So I'm just going to wait over here. Okay. Give them the mix a little bit and only take them 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. So being 2 minutes, so I'm going to remove all the shrimp. Okay. I put them in the plate so they're kind of easier to cooling down. So I'm just gonna set them next to our corn. All right, and now we come back. Now we're going to come back for the salad dressing. I know it kind of go back and forth because I forget. Okay, now come back to salad dressing. Okay, next I put the lamb zest already, 1 lamb zest that I need, and now I'm going to put a 3 tablespoons lamb juice that I just squeezed earlier. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I use a two lamb. It will make you enough for 3 tablespoons. Give them a little bit of mix. I kind of like sour. I love the refreshing from the lamb and lamb zest. Oh, they smell so good. Okay, and give them a little bit of mix. And next, I'm going to add fish sauce. I know Thai salad dressing is already have fish sauce, but when they mix with the lamb, when they mix with the lamb, they will okay. They will be okay. So I'm gonna put the 2 tablespoons the fish sauce. Right. Okay, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Okay, about 1/4 teaspoon. So just pinch of salt. Okay. All right, and now and give them the mix again, and now you can taste if you need more lamb, more sour, or more salty. Okay, I'm gonna give this a little bit of quick taste. This is good, but I like a little bit more sour, so I'm gonna add a little bit more lamb that I have left. Let's see. So another tablespoon. Okay. So 2 lamb. I use all 2 lamb. Okay, now mixing again. That's it. Now our salad dressing is done. So now we can come to our salad bowl and we start mixing everything together now. Okay, for the veggie today, the other than corn, I use the cucumber. I'm gonna cheddar cucumber. You can use green bean or you can use broccoli if you want to. Okay, I'm gonna use about half of the cucumber. Okay, so I'm just gonna use half cucumber. All right, so and next I'm gonna use the carrot for the veggie today. So I'm gonna change them. I'm gonna use the small carrot. Okay, the carrot go in. Same thing for the carrot. I just gonna use a half of them too. Okay, look like I'm gonna make the papaya salad, huh? But this is a corn salad, but kind of look the same, huh? All right, so next, now my corn is already cooling down in the cold water, so now I'm gonna put the corn inside our cucumber and cheddar carrot. Okay, and now I'm going to put the corn. Okay, they're cooling down. I'm just gonna remove a little bit of extra water, and I'm just going to cut the corn. Okay, my last tiny one. Okay, and go. I like it when they're cutting and they're coming like a big chunk like this. I like to eat them when they kind of big pieces. But I know when you mix them, they might be break it down a little bit, but some they kind of stay big pieces. That's how I love them. I can't wait. I smell everything, the fresh sweet corn and everything. They're gonna be really good. Alright, done cutting all the corn, and then now I'm going to add the trim. Okay, 18 trim. You can use more trim, or you can use bigger trim if you want. I use the 18 of them. So now I'm gonna put the salad dressing on top before I mix them. Then look at the dressing. Okay. Okay, looking our salad dressing. Okay, now I'm gonna pour on top and veggies and on top of the trim. All going. And now I'm gonna give them the good mix. Look. Wow. This corn salad, it can go with the when you barbecue the hot dog, or you barbecue the rib or steak. They can be the side salad, tasting very good and very refreshing, perfect for summer and the corn season. Okay, for this recipe I use the 2 hard-boiled egg. This is the 1 serving. I use the 1 hard-boiled egg over here, and then I'm going to put the roasted peanuts on top. You can put the peanut mud that you like. Alright, so now I ready to try our corn salad right now. Okay, I'm gonna get the trim and the corn. I want trim and corn. I will go with the egg neck bites, but this one I want trim and corn. So sweet, sour, salty, and the fresh corn. Okay, the neck bite I will take some egg and the tomato. Oh, look at this. And corn, of course. It's very good. Super easy. You can put this on your side dish when you barbecue, steak or burger or everything. It can be a side dish. It's really good and easy to make. Okay, we cannot wait to finish all the plate and this bowl. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this recipe. Please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.